Hello, artists. Today we're going to have a colorful adventure. We're going to create a big, beautiful piece of art. To create our masterpiece, we need paints, brushes, paper, and lots of imagination. Let's choose some bright and colorful paints. We can use red, blue, yellow, green, and purple. First, let's paint the sky. The sky is big and blue, just like the ocean. Now let's paint the grass. The grass is green and soft like a carpet. Flowers are colorful and beautiful. There, let's paint some flowers in our picture. Now, the sun is big and bright, and it shines down on us and makes everything warm. Let's add some clouds, birds, and butterflies to our picture. Wow, look at our beautiful artwork. We created a colorful world. Remember, art is all about fun and creativity. Keep painting and drawing and let your imagination soar.